Hello guys, how are you all? Welcome back on my YouTube channel Code by Aman. So today I'll discuss about three hiring opportunities. Okay guys, so you can see guys here. First of all, I'll discuss about intern software engineering. Okay, this is an internship program. Then I'll discuss about associate analyst cloud services. Okay, and then at the end I'll discuss about web solution engineer. Okay guys. So before discussing all of the three opportunities, I'll take your few seconds. Okay. So as you can see here, this is my channel. If you didn't subscribe it, so first of all subscribe it for further video notification. Okay, and this is my LinkedIn ID. So if you didn't follow me yet, okay, so guys, the link is given in description box, so please follow me on LinkedIn. Okay, so let's get started. So guys, you can see here the location. Okay, location is Hyderabad, India. Okay, this is the job ID. This is the job category engineering. Okay, you can apply from here. Click on the apply icon. Then this is the country, you can see here India, and this is location Hyderabad, Telangana. Okay, and about the role, so you can read all information about the role. Okay, and key responsibilities, so read it carefully. So you can read here, work closely with global local team to get the embedded IoT. The full form of IoT is Internet of Things. Okay, product requirements, and should analyze the requirements. The requirements should be captured in a document. Okay, so read it carefully, and here mentioned that software development life cycle. Then here is the requirement. So read all the information carefully, then apply for this job. Okay, I'll provide the link in description box. You can apply from there. Click on the link. Okay. Then I'm going to talking about the role of associate analyst cloud services. Okay. The location of the job role Pune, India. Okay guys, you can read here, and this is the JD part. So read it carefully, and then this is the some point related to your job profile. Okay, so read it, and here mentioned that experience 0 to 1 years. Okay, so if you are fresher, then you are also eligible for apply this job, and if you have a 1 year of experience, then you can apply for this job also. Okay, and must have skills, you can read here, basic Linux operation. Okay, so you should have some knowledge about basic Linux operation. Okay, and SQL queries, and familiarity with web application architecture. Okay guys, and good to have skills, you can read here, good understanding about cloud computing. Okay, any of one the latest programming languages like Python, Java, C++, JavaScript. Okay, or Golang, any of one. Okay, and good knowledge on PTC, Windchill product, and or any other PLM software. Okay, then qualification, you can read here, BCA, MCA, BE, any related field. Okay, so apply for this job also. Okay, I'll provide the link in description box, you can apply from there. Okay, then at the end I'm talking about web application web solution engineer, university graduate 2025. You can see the company name here, Google. Okay, and this is location Hyderabad, Telangana, India, Bengaluru, Karnataka. Okay, you can apply from here. Click over the apply icon. This is the note point, so read it carefully. Minimum qualification bachelor degree or equivalent practical experience. Okay, and you should have a knowledge about Java, C++, or Python, and experience in SQL, technical design, web technologies, troubleshooting, and stakeholder management. Okay, the preferred qualification for this role, so read it, bachelor degree or advanced degree in CS, IT, or computer engineering. Okay guys, so you should have a degree related to CSIT field. Okay guys, then you can apply for this job, and you are eligible for this job. Okay, job role, and this information is related to job. Okay, about the job, so read it carefully, and then apply for this job also. Okay, I'll provide the all of three links in description box, you can apply from there all of these opportunities. Okay guys, so it's all about the today video. So this video is really helpful for you, so like this video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for further videos notification. Till then, thanks for watching guys.